Polenta flour.
No, it's
Polenta fries.
yay!
I was taking a pizza to get I take it too.
Mahendra, Yogi Sid, ready? What kind of meat? How is it made? Very good, well done. Choose one. Insist, huh? This one, huh? Who is it? Yalla.
Can you like a pity?
Yeah, but what's the dish? Full dish?